Hi, my name is Dana. I am 3 months post-op from a lower facelift from Dr. Weber. I'm 40. I wish I was 54 years old. I'm a grandmother of 3, almost 3, and I spend most of my time with the kids. Also, we have a place in California, and we go out there about once a month. I did a lot of research. I probably spent months, 2 or 3 months doing research, and I just kept coming back to Dr. Weber. I just felt like it was meant to be. I kept coming back to his pictures, his website, and so that's what made me eventually come in for a consultation. My main concern was getting surgery on my face. That was my main concern, and my goal was just to trust the process and not to overthink it. I was mostly nervous about the fact that I wasn't going to be going under general anesthesia. The staff and Dr. Weber, I tell you, he sat with me for over an hour and answered questions because I needed that affirmation that it was going to be okay. So that was my main concern. Yeah, the thing that made me feel the most confident was Dr. Weber's patience with me and his confidence in his work. And all the girls in the office were just so supportive, just whatever questions I had. So the day of the procedure, I came in. I was a little nervous, but I felt very relaxed. I talked to the girls when they brought me in, and if I had any other questions, I think I did have a couple other questions, and they answered those for me, and then they told me exactly how it was going to go from there, like where I was going to go, what medication they were going to use, how long it was going to take, and so that was the day of. My recovery was seamless. It was, yes, I was very surprised that I didn't have any more pain, or that I didn't have any fear afterwards, or what's going to happen next. Dr. Weber did give me his phone number, and he said, if you need me, you call me, and that's all I needed. The results that I've seen have been, I mostly was worried about my jawline and my neck, and honestly, I have not seen anything that makes me think that it wasn't done properly, or that I've not been happy with it. I mean, I've been extremely happy with everything. I feel great. I really do. This was one thing that bothered me. This is something I really wanted to do for myself. I had noticed with my kids, and which isn't like me, with my kids and with my family, I didn't want to take pictures anymore. I didn't want to be a part of any picture that was taken. That is not like me. And so I really, really feel like it's changed me in a way towards it's made me feel confident where I can just get out there and be myself how I was before, My friends and family knew. Everybody pretty much knew. But my brother said, I think just to be nice, was saying, you don't need it, I didn't even notice it, until I showed him the before and after pictures. And then he understood why I did it. And if they had any opinion, it wouldn't matter to me, because I didn't do it for everybody else. So I don't know if my confidence has changed, but I definitely feel good when I look in the mirror. I mean, definitely feel like I look at myself and I'm like, okay, you can definitely tell. And that's what I needed. I would say the experience has kind of taught me, like I said, with Dr. Weber, listening, and really helping me with my questions. I think that has showed me to follow my head and follow my heart too. I mean, he was very kind and very, very easy to talk to. And I just kept coming back to him, and I just feel like I need to remember that. I need to remember it. Looking back, I would say to myself, you can take care of yourself without feeling guilty, and definitely do what's good for you and what you feel is right for you. So the advice I would give someone considering is do your homework that makes you feel the most comfortable, and don't be afraid. If it's something you really want to do, do it. These doctors, you'll be in great hands. So no worries. I would absolutely recommend Dr. Weber and his team. I interviewed several doctors, and I didn't feel as comfortable as I felt with him. I didn't feel as comfortable as I did with the girls and Heather, and with all the financial, the side notes and all things like that. I could call anytime and someone would call me back. So I would definitely refer Dr. Weber and his team for sure.